Hello guys. Here we have a Lenovo, not turning on at all. But here it's liquid damaged, so I'm gonna try to fix this motherboard. I'm not sure if it's possible. If it's possible, yeah. If it's not, then it's okay. But it is liquid damaged. Let's go ahead. Let's try to fix this lovely, nice machine. Anyway, I'm not a big fan of Lenovo. I don't like Lenovo laptops or machines, but let's go ahead. Let's see. Okay, let me show you under the microscope. This is a liquid damaged. Since it's liquid damaged, obvious, you will have to rely on physically inspection. Let's check everything. Okay. Anyway, this is bad. You can see this is burnt. This chip here, it's burnt. And since this chip is burnt, what about this other one? But this one is burnt. It's broken. I think it's broken. Since this chip is broken, it's gonna be very hard to fix this machine. Do you know why? Because I don't have the spare chip. I don't have the spare machine. I mean the spare parts for this. Anyway, let's just try. I wanna see what will happen here because this is broken. See, physically broken. So guys, I'm now demotivated because it's gonna be pointless. But let's try. Let's just try. We'll never know. It might work with that broken chip, but I'm telling you, I can't promise you a thing. Can't promise you a thing. Hi, bro. Why I don't see any liquid now? Okay, let's start. Let's start here. Here we go. Ta-da! That resistor right there. It's corroded. Anyway, let me make something clear. I won't replace any resistors. I want to show you a trick that you can reuse. I've been doing this for I don't know for how many days, but you can reuse those resistors without any issues. Same broken resistors, or I mean corroded resistors, you can use them. So what you do, you come to iron and then make sure that they are touching, because the only problem with them, they lose contact due to corrosion. So normally when you bend them like this, you recreate the contact and then wrap it like that. Okay, until it's become like that. Once you are done, you come this side, repeat the same thing. Right now, can you tell? Can't even tell whether that resistor was bad or not. Let's continue. Let's look for another one. Look for another one. Okay, I can see a mess here. You repeat the same thing. Flax, and you take your soldering iron. You can remove the capacitor but leave the resistor there. I would advise you that you remove the capacitor but leave the resistor. Let's remove that capacitor. I knocked it off. Capacitor is off. You put flag C. Okay. Hope you can see. Now let's move on. Here we have a corrosion here. That's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Hope you can see. But those resistors there, I think they will have to be removed and replaced, because you can see the condition. Guys, they are bad, they are bad, they are bad, they are bad. Yeah. Let's just try. We'll never know. See, this is came off. I just touched it and then it came off by itself. Hope you saw. I think even this as well is bad. Guys, this is bad. Okay, so you put flaxy. Put more flaxy. Hi. Someone just. Okay, so now. All right, we'll come back. Oh, let's clean this place anyway. All right, it's clean, it's neat. Now let's move on. Okay, you can see those legs. They're bad, extremely bad. Where's the thing? Okay, there. Flaxy. You know our friend Flaxy. After we are done with Flaxy, our friend, we apply this guy. All right, and here on these connectors, we have corrosion there. Put Flaxy, and then you apply this guy. Okay, so what you do? Come with this guy. All right, let's clean it. All right. So now, what else? There's a corrosion here. Here. So here I need a toothbrush. A toothbrush. All right, guys. I have the toothbrush. What you do? You clean that place. All right. So now let's do this. This is so important. Let's go back where there was a corrosion from the beginning near the PCH, the platform control hub. Remember those two resistors I removed there? So you put flags. We have to place them back. But we have to be very careful because they are near the PCH. Yes, there's one here. Okay, it's fine. It's touching. It's touching and it won't come off. You can press it down to make sure. Yes. All right. Let's move on. I can clean this place with the toothbrush. Okay, it's fine. Hey, but here there's rust here. You know, there's rust here. What is going on here? Seems like a pad. Broken pad. Okay, this is a pad. Taking the power from here and up to there. Let me check for continuity. Let me check if there is a continuity from there to there or not. Curious. I want to check. I'll see. Okay, one probe there. Oh, there's continuity. Okay, this goes here. Oh, there's continuity. I'm happy. All right. Anyway, what else? Okay. Let's check for more. Rotate the board. Rotate the motherboard. Let's focus. Stay focused. Oh, Mina. Let's focus. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, yeah, you can see the code region. Okay, anyway, this is it. Let's try to turn on the machine. Let's try. Push aside. Guys, I need a fan. Okay, I don't need a fan. I can check using what? Using a I don't have a thing. What do you call this? A pin. Yes. What about your thing? The one that you bought. It doesn't have this pin. Let's see. Let's see. Do we have a power button, Brandy? And the fan? What about the fan? And the fan? And the power button? Then how we gonna know that this machine is working? Okay, guys, let me check the keyboard. Right, guys, I have the thing. But there is less chance that this machine will work. I told you what I saw. One of the chip there was pens. I think we have to connect it this way. What is that? There should be a light on the keyboard if it's working. Brandy, connect the charger. Let's see. No lights. No lights. The machine is not turning on. Alright, this is bad. Let's press again. No lights. The CPU is not even getting hot. So what I'll do, I'll remove this. Let's check the 19 volts on the other side. You flip the board, connect your charger, put your multimeter there on the range of 20 volts. One probe to ground. Let me put this one to ground. You start checking on the fuse. We have 20 volts. What about the current sensor? 19. Okay, this means we do have the 19 volts, but to confirm, let's check one of the MOSFETs. It should have the 20 volts. Let's check this big capacitor. They should have 20 volts, and they do. This means our 20 volts is fine. The reason why this machine is not turning on, I know you know, right? Because out of the 20-volt parts, corrosion, and there are some corroded components. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it right there. This machine won't turn on. It won't. Anyway, guys, I hope you are learning anyway, so just gonna leave it right there. Call this a quit. Sharp.